Hello everyone, this is Monica from Moni's Design. Today I'm here as design team member for Printable, Cuttable, Creatable to show you how to assemble this cool cap and gown graduation gift card holder. Let's get started. First we are going to fold all the tabs and then we're going to glue them to the other part of the gown. This will make a gown pocket. Then we're going to take the gift card holder and glue the cap to it. You can use foam tape if you want to give it a little extra height. Then glue the cap tassel and the cap dot to it. Put the gift card holder inside the gown pocket and add the stole to the front of the gown. Now all you have to do is add the gift card of your choice and you're all done. This is the perfect graduation gift and it looks amazing. Give it a try and let me know what you think. I'll see you on the next project. Bye!